Rumbler with the Daily Wave. Have a good day, Double D. We're clear.
Yeah, early in the morning like that. Not that many hours.
Double D, Alabama, Double D, 148 clear.
Copperhead, one out there acting like that silly rabbit there or something, man. He must have been out there in the pasture eating them rabbit fields or something, he's acting like a rabbit out there. Hey, Copperhead, sorry about that. Double D with the way.
Copperhead. You're getting louder. That's it's getting louder.
You know how it goes. He's been out there in the pasture eating them rabbit fields there, them little smart fields they call them. Hey, Copperhead, Double D, back out reading the mail.
Sound like there's some fucking weirdos out there on the radio today. Carolina heroes reading this mail.
Yeah, I know that big radio you.
Yeah, play CountryBoy, Southwest Missouri, we're standing by. You look more like a dick with ears.
Maybe this baby driver will work. Double D working in a little old four-wheel driver trying to get his name called.
I just want to let them know it's all about audio. I just want all them boys to know that's all some FCC song. Yeah, yeah, man, CountryBoy, Southwest Missouri, Panther Creek. CountryBoy down here, Panther Creek.
Breaking the line and a failure to connect.
You're not dealing with AT&T.
You're not dealing with AT&T. That's all about AT&T. CountryBoy, Southwest Missouri, Panther Creek, we're standing by. Come on.
Slow 310. West Virginia.
One, two, three, four, five. How about it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, time to you. Out of London, count to 5 from my CB radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ain't nobody but old Bulldozer rocking this mail. 19, did you hear about Space Hawk's Moonraker?
TopGun. Where do TopGun go?
Moonraker. Isn't that a reference?
TopGun done got knocked down a notch.
Cow radio. Ain't nobody half of it got ice and junk, and yeah, man, it got it. 4 of those locations.
91958, Illinois. I know that, man, but it still sucks, but, yeah. Anyway, 19, man, I'm just cruising, low ride, 19, 12373, on the mail.
Hey there, DXland. This is 479 here in Western Arkansas time.